This REOLINK RLK8-1200V4 system delivers exceptionally sharp 12-megapixel video with a wide viewing angle that makes it easy to cover large areas with fewer cameras. The combination of warm spotlight illumination and strong infrared night vision keeps footage clear and usable, even in very dark conditions, while still capturing important details. Its artificial intelligence-based detection does a solid job distinguishing people, vehicles, and animals, and the built-in microphone and speaker make two-way conversations with visitors straightforward. The dome cameras feel rugged and well-built, with metal housings that resist both harsh weather and casual vandalism, making them suitable for exposed outdoor mounting points. Power over Ethernet cabling and the included 2 terabyte hard drive simplify installation and provide dependable around-the-clock recording without constant microSD card juggling or cloud fees. Long-term ownership is helped by the manufacturer's multi-year warranty and responsive technical support, which is reassuring for a system that you will rely on every day.